Welcome to our alumni and our greater school community. It was with obvious regret that we are not able to host our All Boys Assembly and our All Boys Day on the eve of the school's 98th birthday. But we will be rescheduling the date and welcoming you home later in the year. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate the matric class of 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 2001 and 2011 who are all celebrating milestone reunions this year. We look forward to celebrating these occasions throughout the year as you reminisce on your school days and the part you played in creating the Parktown legacy. As an old boy myself, I understand the importance of keeping close links with you, and unfortunately the past few years have been amongst the most turbulent in our history. And with COVID, this has hampered our progress in this area. We continue to honor those who are gone and those who have been negatively impacted, and also those who continue to embody all that it means to be a Parktonian. I believe we are a stronger school now than in any time in our history. We are proud of our diverse community and the high standards that we hold ourselves to, along with the support of all of you. Parktown is a home of real men who stand up for what they believe in, say no to physical and verbal abuse, guard against bullying and any forms of initiation, and understand the values of what it means to be a gentleman. We are an inclusive environment that is mentoring and developing the next generation of leaders in our society and on the global stage to be stronger sons, better brothers, and more involved and caring parents and partners one day. Be proud of the Parktown legacy. There are 850 boys that are passionate about our school and work each day to ensure that we continue to be a source of inspiration and support for our community. In 2021, let's focus on what we can control and not spend time worrying about those things that we can't. Let's be brave enough to talk about our challenges, but not weak enough to let them define us. The one thing that you can control is your attitude and your influence on those around you. If you are constantly complaining about your circumstances, you will invite negativity into your life. Be positive and positivity will find you. It's going to strip you of all those excuses you currently have that are stopping you from achieving. I know that not everyone has the same challenges, but we all have the same ability to adapt and be resilient. Finally, remember that we will always be connected as having attended Parktown Boys High School, and this will forever bind us together. As each passing generation, we need to ensure that we do everything in our power to improve the school we inherit to the one we leave behind. As the current custodians, this is an honor we have and one that we must respect. Happy 98th birthday, Parktown. Arise.